Hello gamers! Welcome to another one of my videos on RetroArch version 1.21.0. In this video, we are going to import NES thumbnails into RetroArch directly from thumbnails.lib retro.com. I have already downloaded the necessary NES cores, video settings such aspect ratio, set the user interface to XMB, imported NES content or ROMs from my desktop, etc. If you have not done so, do it before we proceed. Are you ready to retro? Let's go. Open RetroArch. From Settings, go to User Interface, then select Appearance. Set the primary thumbnail as box art and the secondary thumbnail as screenshot, as shown here. As for thumbnail vertical disposition, I prefer this to be off. If you set it to on, the thumbnails will be stacked on top one another on the right-hand side, making the box art's image to be scaled down. When downloading thumbnails in NES content, here are the location or placeholders for box art, and snap or title will be displayed. As for snap, it is also known as screenshots. As you can see, some of the ROMs like Contra 30 Life S-Gun, Donkey Kong, and Galaga thumbnails were not downloaded, even when we choose to download thumbnails. It has to do with the ROM's file name. Only this game, Mega Man 6, the thumbnails were downloaded successfully. We are going to fix that using my Excel VBA program called RetroArch Thumbnails Downloader version 1.0. Open the Excel program. Always start a new project by clicking the Reset All button. Now click the RetroArch button. In the dialog box, find RetroArch folder. In this demo, it is on my desktop. Make sure you see RetroArch folder in the folder name box, then click OK. When RetroArch.exe is found, it is the correct folder. You will see the path displayed in cell C4. Next, click Emulators button. Automatically the dialog box will be in RetroArch Playlists directory. For this demo, I have only NES playlist. Make sure you see the playlist file name in the file name box, then click OK. Once everything is OK, we will see the emulator's name in cell C5 and the playlists or ROMs listed from cell C6 onwards, as shown here. Select a ROM from column C, the selected cell will be highlighted in red. Next, set the thumbnail's art type from the drop-down list at cell F4, select box art. Now click Libretro Thumbnails button. An input box will appear with the selected ROM name as the default search text. Leave the text as it is and click OK. An Internet Explorer window will be activated. In case the program cannot open the IE window, we need to enable the Microsoft HTML object library and Internet controls. From Developer tab, select View Code and then References. Make sure these are checked. When no image is found, an error message will be displayed in the message box. We need to refine our search text. Click Libretro Thumbnails again. This time, we input the search text as shown here as Contra, then click OK. When finished, any thumbnails that starts with our search text Contra will be listed from cell E6 onwards. Selected thumbnail will be highlighted in red and the image starts downloading, as shown here. As you can see, the image file name will be displayed in cell F5 and the actual image is in the preview box. To import this image to RetroArch, click Copy to RetroArch button now. To confirm, click Yes. An information message box with details such as the path it was copied to and renaming of the file same as the ROM name. In tab sheet 2, the activity that we just did is logged here. Now repeat the same process for all of our ROM's box arts. Next, change the art type in cell F4 to snaps. Select a new ROM as shown here. When selection change is triggered, the list in column E in the preview image will be cleared. This is because the previous list were not for this newly selected ROM. Click Libretro Thumbnails button for our snaps images. Remember to input only part of the ROM name as shown here. When scraping finished, select an image from column E. The list are now snap or screenshot images. Click Copy to RetroArch button. As you can see, the image is imported to the snaps folder. Repeat the process for all our ROM's snaps. Now let's open RetroArch. When we go to NES imported content, as you can see, all of our ROMs have box arts and screenshots. This is what we want. Let's launch a game. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.